kind of a homecoming for the '67 Mustang. Chris Espy, who actually does volunteer work with PAD, he's a volunteer fireman here in Detroit Lakes. He does work with PAD on getting the dogs acclimated with, when emergencies happen, whatever. He had this car. He donated the car. One of our club members, Ryan Mueller, donated the chassis. Together with Andy Selly, he got the Mudstang. We have tickets available at $50 a piece. This is a running, driving, titled, insured car. It will be street legal. It's a 351 fuel injected with an E40D electronic automatic transmission, working four-wheel drive. It's got we had seats that were donated from a guy out of a Corvette. Leather 6-way Corvette seats. Everything will work in the dash as far as gauges. Even the check engine light will work if you want to know that the motor's not running properly. Tires donated by Falcon Tires. The guy taking the video was a huge donation for the build. Thank you very much, Patrick. Another buddy of mine owns Budget Blinds of Duluth. He donated some cash towards the build. We do have a sheet that lists all the new parts in it. There's a ton of new parts. A lot of stuff went into this build. Been a fun project. Here it is. We've got tickets available. Get a hold of me. Get a hold of Patrick. Anybody at Mid-Minnesota Motorheads, look us up on our website, Facebook page, any social media.
All right. Awesome. Thanks, Doug.
Thanks, Patrick. Appreciate it.